Atomic structure, father of modern chemistry, Lavoisier, who was the first one to propose model for the structure of an atom, J.J. Thomson. Dalton's atomic theory successfully explained law of conservation of mass, law of constant composition, law of multiple proportion. Particle which can be added to the nucleus of an atom without changing its chemical properties. Neutron. The positively charged part at the center of an atom is called nucleus. Atomic subatomic particle has negligible mass. Electron. Which of the following is incorrect option? Atom is electrically neutral due to the presence of proton and electron inside nucleus. Fundamental particles are present in nucleus. Proton, neutron. Component of atomic nucleus, proton, neutron. Does not contain neutron. Hydrogen. Number of electron and proton of element at B is mass number 38. Mass number of a sum of number of neutron proton. Electric free. Which particle is free of charge? Neutron. Number of neutron in the nucleus, plutonium nuclide 2 particles remains 94 minus करो. Mass number is equal to number of neutron plus number of proton. Isotope of an element different in mass number, same atomic number. Isotope nuclei of atomic nucleus in which number of proton is same and number of neutron is different. Which of the following contain the same type of atom? Natural element. मेटेलिक एलिमेंट का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 10 और 18 तो इनर्ट गैस का हो गया, तो डी. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन 2 और 5. मास नंबर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट द एटम विच कंटेन 2 प्रोटॉन 2 न्यूट्रॉन एंड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 4. Colloids have particle size range between 10 to power minus 9 to 10 to power 6 minus 6. Modern atomic symbol are based on the method proposed by Berzelius. Which of the following element has largest atomic radius? Lithium. Radius of interstationary orbit of hydrogen atom is proportional to n square. Physical and chemical change and solution. An example of physical change: dissolving of sugar in water. Not physical change: burning of coal. According to chemistry, following physical change: boiling of water. Same condition, temperature, equal volume of all gases equal to equal number of molecules. Avogadro's condensation. Change of vapor into liquid. Amount of solid present per unit volume or per unit mass of the solution or solvent is known as concentration of solution. Electrolysis of water is decomposition reaction. Faraday constant is a universal constant. If for two liquid A and B to form ideal solution, enthalpy of a mixing should be 0. Process of separating different dissolved constituents of a mixture by their adsorption on an appropriate material is called chromatography. Process of solid camphor into camphor vapor is called sublimation. What is the process of substance changing directly from solid to gas? Sublimation. Pressure gauge is not given in domestic LPG cylinder because they cannot represent the quantity of gas in LPG cylinder. Consider the following. Addition of salt to pure water increase the boiling point and decrease the freezing point. When methyl alcohol is added to water, boiling point of the water decreases. Which of the following slows down the reaction rate? none of the above सब increase करता है. Substance that rapidly absorb moisture from the other substance without chemically reacting with the help of dissecants. Crystallization is the process deriving crystal from pure substance from their solution. Binding between constituent atom or molecule take place during crystallization. Milk is an example of emulsion or colloidal solution. Not colloid. Vinegar. Air is a mixture. Gas with the highest amount in the air. Nitrogen. Most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen. Noble gas is not present in air. Radon. Tyndall effect. Dilute solution of ethyl milk starch solution. Which processes release the molecular oxygen from leaves? Diffusion, deduct, or odd. Ripening of fruit, setting of cement, burning of coal. सब chemical change. Not characteristic of chemical change. No net change in energy is involved. The process in which atmospheric carbon dioxide converted into carbohydrate during photosynthesis is called reduction. Displacement reaction. AgNO3 solution copper metal ये दोनों एक दूसरे को डिस्प्लेस करेगा. The process in which oxidation number decrease is reduction. In one of the following, material are arranged in increasing order force of attraction between their particle: hydrogen gas, water, iron, metal. Medicine production. Ethyl alcohol can be used as antiseptic. Not characteristic of solid. Ability to flow easily. Exothermic process. Dilution of acid. Reaction of water with quick lime. Suitable condition for liquefaction of gases. Low temperature, high pressure. Which of the following constituent of soda, acid, fire extinguisher? Dilute sulfuric acid and sodium bicarbonate solution. PHBV biodegradable polymer. Poly 3-hydroxybutyrate CO 3-hydroxybutyrate. Not type of element. Gas. Blue vitriol chemically. Copper sulfate. Quick lime CaO. Lime water is turned milky by CO2. First artificially prepared element. Tachydium Tc. Main ingredient of cement, limestone. In car battery, electrolyte substance used is sulfuric acid. Acid used in a car battery is sulfuric acid. Smoke emanating from ammonium chloride powder used for cleaning hot utensil while galvanizing brass utensil is chloric acid of ammonia and hydrochloric acid. Gold is dissolved in aqua regia. Aqua regia हाइड्रोक्लोरिक और नाइट्रिक एसिड का नाइट्रिक एसिड और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक 1:3 में. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ CO3. Steam methane reforming technique is obtained to gray hydrogen. Compound with dissolution in water makes it hard. Or then one of the trade name of alkaline lead carbonate, white lead. Maximum weight 2 mole of a CaCO3. Oxide is soluble in water, CaO. Not electrophile, Na+. Which metal compound is used for treatment of carcinoma? Platinum. Purest form of iron, wrought iron. Highest melting point, boron. Chemical formula of sapphire ruby is Al2O3. Following corundum and cryolite are important ore of aluminium. gas used in building, oxygen and acetylene. Oil is not stored in galvanized iron pot. It produces toxic substance, reduce quality of oil and corrosion observed. Galvanized iron pipe having coating of zinc. Element that excreted through human sweat is sulfur, iron, magnesium, zinc, sub. Which one of the following is non-ferrous metallic mineral? Does not contain iron, cobalt, zinc, copper, zinc. Ferrous metallic mineral, manganese, nickel, chromium. Glass used to tube light and test tube made up of an amorphous transparent mixture alkali of metal, silica, cerium oxide or sodium oxide. Highest electrical conductivity, silver. Heaviest metal amongst platinum. To protect broken bone, plaster of Paris is gypsum. CSO4 half H2O. Plaster of Paris, CSO4 half H2O. Minerals are inorganic solid. Most reactive metal, potassium. The can in which food is packed are coated with tin and not zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. Food can be coated with tin and not with zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. Zinc is more reactive than tin. White metal, alloy of lead and tin, cadmium, bismuth and zinc. Used in production of engineered diamonds, graphite. Respect to noble metal are found in pure form of nature. Uranium and lead are base metal. Liquid at ordinary temperature, mercury. Lead is used for transmission of light. Radium is obtained from peach blend. After being exposed to air for a while, a layer of green basic carbonate form in a metal. Copper. Iron is obtained from the hematite. Untrue for bleaching powder. More soluble in water. Bleaching powder is pale yellowish color. Smell bleaching powder left open in air, chlorine gas. It reacts with carbon dioxide to dilute sulfuric acid. Metallurgic process in which metal is obtained in a fused state is called smelting. In the method of electroplasting on vessel with zinc, the vessel is made negative pole and pure zinc as positive pole. What happens to the weight of iron when it rusts increase from long time? Made of zinc. Electric battery. Al2Si2 or 2H2 chemical formula, China clay. Zinc oxide is normally used in the manufacture of paint, explosive solvent. Heaviest metal among the following: uranium, suitable to prevent iron frying pan from rusting and applying a zinc coating. Manganese used for more than above. Matchbox industry, photography industry, battery production. Calcium hydroxide, slacked lime. Standard electrode potential of three metal ABC, respectively 0.5 minus 3 or 1.2. Reducing power of this metal -3 सबसे ज़्यादा, फिर 1.2, फिर 0.5. alloy, mercury metal mixture is mercury mixed alloy. Brass is an alloy of brass, copper, zinc. Brass is formed by mixing 1 volume part of the zinc, 2 volume part of the copper. Density of a brass